Hello finance enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a common accounting dilemma. Question: my account register displays a negative balance even though I reconcile it monthly. How can I correct the register balance or determine the accurate account balance? Answer: missing transactions. First, ensure all transactions are recorded. A missed entry can throw off your balance. Duplicates. Double-check for any transactions that might have been entered more than once. Timing differences. Remember, some checks or deposits might not have cleared yet. Reconciliation errors. Review previous reconciliations for any possible oversights. To confirm your figures, compare your register with your bank statement. If they match, you're on track. Accounting can be intricate, but with careful attention, you can ensure accuracy. For more tips, subscribe to Bookkeeping Basics and visit our website at www.bookkeeping-basics.net.